That's the beginning.
Torn piece of paper. It's just the beginning. Every spill has lots and lots
Ooh, that's neat.
of possibilities. Bent paper is something to celebrate.
Yay!
A little drip of paint. It makes your imagination run wild.
Ooh, that's neat.
A scrap of paper can be fun to play with.
Oh, wow.
A smudge in a sphere can make magic appear.
Wow.
A stain has potential. No. If you play with
No. Eat your own food. Lucy, eat your own food.
That's neat.
No. Eat your own food. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Good job.
holes in your paper. Blur.
Ooh,
Do you like all the different colors?
that's
Blue
neat.
and orange and red and pink and purple and orange and red and that little guy. When you think you have made a mistake, oops. Think of it as an opportunity to make something beautiful.
Wow.
Do
Oh, good job. Thanks for reading that to us.
you wanna do this crumpled up paper? Do you?
Sure.